Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna talk about uses of has, have and had in sentences. Are you confused about has, have and had? Where and how to use them? Today's lesson will help you. So this video is for you. For this you need to watch the full video till end to clear your all doubts about the confused tense chapter. And one more request, if you are new in my channel then please subscribe the channel for getting this kinds of more English learning videos every day. Without further delay, let's move on to this video. First, for this we need to understand the present perfect and the past perfect tense. So first of all I need to show you these examples. That is using have. We use the auxiliary have in present tense. For example, I have a cat. I have a cat. But when we convert it in a negative way, we can say I don't have a cat. I don't have a cat. Next example, that is they have a nice car. They have a nice car. In negative, they don't have a nice car. They don't have a nice car. Now see those examples, that is using has. Has is also used in present tense, but remember, have is always used with I, you, we, they. I, you, we and they. We used have the auxiliary in those pronouns. And has the auxiliary is used with he, she and it. Remember, he, she and it. So going to the point that I was started, the example that is using has. Number one, she has a bag. She has a bag. In negative, that will be she doesn't has a bag. She doesn't have a bag. Now let me tell you why it is doesn't. It is a present tense that is using third person. So for this we used doesn't here. And in the first example, I don't have a car, that is a first person. So for this we use don't in the present form of do verb. Now we will talking about had in past tense. For example, he had to go home. He had to go home. In negative, that will turn he don't have to go home. He don't have to go home. See the next example, that is I had a meeting yesterday. I had a meeting yesterday. In negative, that will be I didn't have a meeting yesterday. I didn't have a meeting yesterday. Here we have used did verb, that is the past tense of do verb. We are using had, that is past tense. For this we used did verb, that is do verbs past tense. Now let me clear your all doubts about present perfect tense. Let's see the form of present perfect tense. Has or have plus main verb. The form of present perfect tense, that is has or have plus main verb. Okay, see those examples. I have finished all my homework. I have finished all my homework. In the sentence, there have and finished, that is verb. I, that is subject. Have, that is auxiliary present perfect tense auxiliary verb. Finished, that is main verb. And all my homework, that is object of the sentence. So I have finished all my work or all my homework, that is using present perfect tense. Number two, we have lived here for 3 years. We have lived here for 3 years. In the sentence, have, that is auxiliary verb, lived, that is main verb of the sentence, and here for 3 years, that is object. Next example, she has gone to the store. she has gone to the store. In the sentences, it is used when an action starts in the past and continues to the present, or when talking about past continuous without saying when they happened. Next, moving to the next part, that is past perfect tense. Its form is had plus main verb. Had plus main verb. For example, I had lived in 5 different cities before I turned 10 years old. I had lived in different cities before I turned 10 years old. See the next example, that is when she called me last night, my brother told her I had gone out. When she called me last night, my brother told her I had gone out. In the sentences, it is used when one past action happens before another past action or event happens. It is used when one past action happens before another past action or event. So that's all we have for today. I hope you have cleared your doubts about has, have, and had, present tense, past tense, and past perfect tense. So if you have any doubt about this chapter or about this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you're new in my channel, then please subscribe for getting those kinds of English learning more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. In the next video, I will cover up your all doubts of when to use have had and when to use had in sentences. So keep in touch and stay connected. Thanks for watching again.